This looks different. It looks a little shinier.
This is a preview of DSM-4, which we're launching soon. DSM-4 beta. This is so we did refresh the GUI, so there is the little widget bar right here, so you can get a quick glance of what's happening on your disk station. So you can quickly, if you don't want the system health up here, you want to see the resource monitor, you can just move that up. It still tells you the CPU usage, RAM usage, and how much network bandwidth is being used. Let's say if you have a lot of windows open, managing multiple things at once, you can quickly do this. And then you can see a quick preview of all 6 windows that's running. So let's go back over here. Let's see. RAID management. So here, this is how you can manage your RAID volumes. This is a 2-bay disk station. So we have two 64 gig disks, SSDs in here. So this is how you control and manage your RAID. Okay. I do want to show a little change of what we did in the control panel. Normally right here with DSM 3.2, we had integrated multimedia applications, multimedia streaming, audio stations, photo stations.
Yeah.
We now changed that where those are now packages. So right here. So basically what this is that if you're deploying to this station at your work and your IT manager, your CTO says that you cannot have audio streaming on the network at all, simply just uninstall it. And you just go to our package center right here. And these are all the applications that we've installed on this particular disk station, but we can actually go through and uninstall iTunes server. So I can just go over here, click on more, I can click uninstall, and then follow through the wizard, and there's going to be no more iTunes on the disk station. So you can truly customize the disk station for home use or for your work use.
That is nice.
So you can set up an administrator and client access to this?
Yes, so when you're using iTunes,
not the iTunes, the package, access to the packages.
Access to the packages are handled through a user account control. So basically, you assign each user, can you have access to this or no? That's what you can set up. All right, so let's show up one of the great new things about what I said earlier about DSM-4, which is Cloud Station. Cloud Station is a package that you install. You can it'll be available when DSM-4 beta is launched. So Cloud Station basically allows you to have the ability of syncing data between multiple computers through the cloud without port forwarding. And where is the data stored is personally on your personal disk station, in this case, right here.
Is this Synology to Synology type, disk station to disk station, so something in another? Because I know you've had that feature before.
No, that's what we use for network backup. This is intended for where you have your personal, your workstation and say your netbook. They are both communicating to the same disk station, and you have this access to the same files.
Computer to computer through the
disk station.
I'm with you now.
So let me show you how this works. So I'm going to minimize this right here. So let's say this is my workstation. I'm in Seattle. This is my workstation. So I have, let me show you right here. So we have the Cloud Station program, and it creates a Cloud Station folder.
Okay.
So then I'm on my workstation in Seattle, and these are all my files that I have in my Cloud Station folder.
Do that.
And let's say I want to modify this file, so I can say something like this, the cloud rules. I can say something like this, and I'm going to save it. What's going to happen is that it's going to start syncing that data to my disk station. And then let's say I travel to Las Vegas with my little netbook right here, my little mini computer. I can pull up the exact same file and see that I've already updated the text right there.
It's right there.
Wow. So it's a file synchronization. You consider like a Dropbox or iCloud.
I wasn't going to say it. You said it first.
But yeah, so it's equivalent to that. And basically, there's no monthly charges for this service. You get the disk station.
Unlimited
capacity.
Yeah. Whatever your PC control. Yeah.
Whatever your capacity is on the disk station, that is how much capacity you get.
Let me ask you a question. What if I want to give someone access to sync? Let's say Jim and I want to share a folder between each other. Can I do that to different users?
Just give them. So each of the cloud station folders are assigned by per user.
Okay.
So you would have your own personal cloud. Jim would have his own personal cloud. Now, if you want to share something, you both have to share credentials.
Okay.
Yeah.
That'll be fine.
Yeah.
All right, Jim, we're going to load this beta as soon as we can get our grubby paws on it.
Yeah, sounds good.
Our own Dropbox. Okay. Back to the DSM. I just want to kind of look through. It looks, it's got a complete makeover.
Yeah, it's a nice refresh. It's a nice update.
Yeah.
We did introduce a couple of new packages for DSM-4 Beta, such as Antivirus Essential. We have users asking for a way to scan for viruses on their disk station, so we're introducing that in DSM-4 Beta. And basically, it automatically scans your viruses.
Scans for viruses.
Scans for viruses that are for files that are stored on the disk station.
What's the engine behind that? Can you share that?
The engine behind it is ClamAV, and the updates are handled through ClamAV. We just handle the integration, so you don't see any of the command line stuff or anything like that, or the updates. It automatically updates for you.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, that's a very popular topic.
Let's see, and for some of our business users, we are introducing LUN backups. So let me load the LUN backup engine right here. Okay. Storage backup. So I can see right here, I have my iSCSI target working. It's connected, and I'm going to go ahead and start a backup of my LUN target. All right, so I don't have a backup. So with LUN backup, the biggest advantage with LUN backup, first, it's integrated within the disk station. Second advantage is it saves your administrators money, because you don't need to worry about buying licenses to back up your LUN anymore, whether it be Hyper-V licenses or client licenses or VMware licenses to run your backups. So I'm going to run a local backup right here, set my destination. That is perfectly fine directory. I usually like to stick with defaults because I'm just showing it.
All right.
So I'm going to back up my first LUN right here, and I want to back up immediately and finish the wizard, hit apply. So right now what's going to happen is that it's going to analyze the LUN that I currently have, and I can back up the LUN while it's online. So you don't have to worry about the LUN, backing up the LUN and disconnecting your iSCSI target as you're using it.
Okay. Yeah, that's going to be pretty handy for our VMware fans and our virtual guys. Absolutely. What was the question I was thinking of? Any refresh to the PC software?
So the PC software, so CloudStation was introduced. We are releasing an update to the Assistant. It's going to get a new GUI interface. It's a little bit easier to manage and easier to set up, easier to organize when you're doing mass install and mass management of your disk station.
Okay.
Let's see. Share folder sync.
Oh, I'm sorry, I apologize.
And we still have Time Machine. We still have PC backups.
Yes, you still have Data Replicator 3 to handle your file level backups for your Apple clients. We still support Time Machine, so you can connect your Leopard or Lion computer to the disk station and still back up that way. And also, since the DSM 3.2, we actually have the ability for Time Machine to back up to the user's home folder.
Okay.
So it's a private stored backup.
Okay, that's very nice. And the only thing I'm missing is bare metal restore of a PC. Do you hear that a lot?
I do hear that a lot, and it's something that we're looking at developing for the next version of Data Replicator.
Okay, we'll be on board as soon as that comes out.
Yeah.
We'll help you test it. How's that?
That works out very
All right.
good.
All right, Jim, that's been...
Sorry, it's starting to back up right there.
There
Bye.
it is. There goes that LUN backing up. Yeah, the VMware guys are going to love a Synology. There's just... iSCSI targets are built right in, so it's a great box for